Hey guys, it's Captain Kenny here. It's Saturday morning, 7 a.m. We're out here at Saphire Bay for the Bob Barnes Memorial Regatta. Thank goodness there's a little wind blowing right now. It's forecast to stop. Look at that flag right over there. We should have started this regatta right now. By noon it's supposed to be 2 knots. So we'll see. It's going to be an interesting race. I'm racing on a boat I've never raced on before. A friend of mine acquired this boat and wants me to captain it. So I've got 2 green crew members. We're fixing to meet them. There's our race committee right over here. Everyone except Wesley. There's our competition right there. It is Team Blue against First Sail. 8:30. The boat's all rigged and we're ready to head out. Oh, we even got a spar fly. That's good news. Just waiting on crew to show up. You could probably just stick it through there and then tie a knot in it. And excited about this race?
Oh, I am stoked. Haven't had a regatta like this in a long time.
It's when the adrenaline kicks in. It's just about now.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a few of these smart sailors to smash into each other.
That's what one thing Ron said. Don't hit anybody.
That's job one. You know, we could be sitting here
Scott
filming.
needs to start enjoying some of this adrenaline.
Scott needs to keep an eye on the horizon for us so we don't accidentally. No, we're good. We're all going the same direction now.
Got about 22 boats out here racing. Should be a good race as long as the wind keeps blowing. There's the start of First Fleet right there.
Okay.
And there's the spectator boat over there. And here's our competition. There's Team Blue. Can you see a compass heading on that board? I got 2 spinnaker boats still finishing down there.
We'd probably be catching a little wind if it weren't for all these other sailboats.
Yeah. We'll try and go up a little bit so we can go.
That's the start.
Was that the start or the? I think so. A Fleet just started, and we have very light winds. B Fleets just started, so hopefully we can make it to the committee boat right there by 5 minutes.
Hey Scott, come up here for a picture. A little late.
of signs in some big airport remind me of the places I've been. Visions of good times brought so much pleasure, make me wanna go back again. If it suddenly ended tomorrow, I could somehow adjust to the fall. 'Cause good times and riches and son of a I've seen more than I can recall. It's these changes in attitudes, changes in attitudes that make things wild to say.
There's Mary over there.
Thought we were running and all of the company, we couldn't not feel it all in the sea.
My name is Susie Gully. I'm the former rear commodore for this club, and I am so proud to announce these amazing winners. So, for A Fleet, I think these are in backwards order. I don't know. Sometimes I get these things wrong.
Tell you if it's backwards.
Third, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, wow. This is exciting. A Fleet. Yeah. Okay, so third place, A Fleet. Congratulations to Rented Mule. These amazing trophies. I love them so much. There we go. And second place in the A Fleet is Blue Moon. You saw me standing. Oh, they're not here. Blue Moon will be. I'll accept their trophy by proxy. Thank you on behalf of Blue Moon. And now Rocket Science. Yeah, first place, A Fleet Rocket Science. Congratulations! Fantastic! Way to go!
That one says first place.
Oh. And I will be accepting Rocket Science trophy. Rocket Science trophy.
It's just a video.
I got it. Okay, Rocket Science, great. All right, on to the B Fleet.
You wanna grab this when I go up there?
B Fleet was Paint Chip. Congratulations to Paint Chip.
Paint chip.
Paint Chip. All right, we'll be accepting Paint Chip's trophy by proxy. Next up is B Fleet Rally, second place. There we go, the rally. Your shirt. There we go, guys. Hold on, we'll hold this in. All right, somebody get moved out. All right, congratulations, Rally. Well done. And then finally, first place B Fleet is Graybeard.
Susie, what place is this? Thank you, Liam.
B Fleet. Don't let them have Graybeard.
Graybeard.
Right.
Thank you, Mr. Shirley. There you go.
All right. Next up is C Fleet, my favorite fleet that I don't sail in. But I would like to say I am the former first place C Fleet winner of this regatta. So I'm passing on the title to the new first place C Fleet person. But third place C Fleet is for sale. For sale.
No.
All right.
Have a good time.
All right, second place, C Fleet Team Blue.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm Laura, by the way.
I'm Kenny.
Congratulations! Way to go, Team Blue. And finally, Castro, first place, Team Blue.
Yeah.
I'll look more that way so you can get the shirt.
Tell the story. Tell the story.
Good job.
Big old D fleet.
Well, there's the low points.
Third place, Naughty Professor. Way to go, y'all!
Let's go.
Woohoo!
Good job, guys. Second place, D Fleet Orion.
Okay, gotcha.
And then first place D Fleet is Kim. Congratulations. Way to go. All right, before we get on to our special presentation, I just really quickly wanted to give a shout out to Adrienne and her family for helping us with the food today. I know. Also, shout out to Saphire Bay Marina for getting us our keg and our late tap.
Better late than never.
Tom helped get all these drinks here.
late
We're
than
breaking that. Laura got these amazing trophies. And then, of course, we want to thank Ron for helping so much on this race and being our the race club. PRO. Thanks, Ron, for being our PRO and putting all that together.
And one more thing.
And more.
In 2 weeks, we're gonna have.
Hey, I know we're talking too much. I know it's hard to listen, but if you give us 5 more minutes, you get free time after this.
sound like a
5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, and then you have all the talk time you want.
Thank you, Chandlers and Rush Creek, for coming out here. And remember, we're gonna participate in George Griffith race in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Down there. So everyone needs to sign up.
Sign up for that George Griffith Regatta up at West Creek 2 weeks from today. And then finally, Steve Hodges, our wonderful friend, has a special award he would like to present. So take it away, Steve.
My first race was in the summer of 1974 on Grapevine Lake. They had a novice class. You couldn't have a trophy and get in that class. Now, that class got so big they disbanded because lots of people didn't win trophies. We were on Grapevine for 8 years. I raced at least 100 races in that 8 years and never won a trophy. Well, I had just as much fun sailing and racing as everybody else did. I moved to Lavon, was there 24 years. I did so bad that they would ask me to pick the last mark up when I came here.
I know that
I got
feeling.
a DFL trophy. I got
For
best
sale.
effort.
Or no, it wasn't for sale. It was first
I
sale.
got a 10th place trophy one time, and I was delighted. And then I found out there were just 10 boats in my fleet. But I still tell it was a giant regatta. I got a 10th place. Okay, I have a best effort trophy here. This is handmade. Put the last coat finish on it last time. It's about 10:30. And Ron, where's Ron?
Ron?
Who does this go to?
In fitting with Steve's monologue, I'd like to present this to the Fredericks.
Are they still here?
Still here?
Are they still here?
Best effort.
Best effort.
We hope you keep coming back.
Yeah.
Enjoy every minute of it. Come up here and get a picture with Steve. Okay. Thank you so much, Steve.
Right. Yes. I can tell all kinds of stories.
Where's our girl for a wrap up? Where's our girl for the wrap up? Someone, I hope. Just thank you for coming out. Includes the Bob Barnes Memorial Regatta. I guess this is the wrap up. This is Captain Kenny signing off, and we'll see you out here next year on Lake Ray Hubbard.
I didn't ponder the question too long. I was hungry and would not reply. Ran into a chum with a bottle of rum and we wound up drinking.